Hi, welcome to the demonstration video of Odoo's application Dashboard Ninja Advanced powered by Ksolves. In this video, we will understand a very beautiful feature for the customization of list views. As you are already aware, in the previous videos, we have seen that we can add different items to our dashboards and can change their display options as well. But for the list views, we didn't have any layouts in the Dashboard Ninja. Now in the advanced, we can see that we have different layouts for our list views as well. To check them, we have to go to the full settings of the list view. Go to display option. Now we can see we have these three different layouts for the list views as well. This is the part of the Dashboard Ninja Advanced. Now I'll choose with the list layout 2 or maybe layout 3 I can choose, and I can go to the save option. Now once I go to the dashboard, you can see the list view into a different layout altogether, right? So this is the feature. I hope this video will be helping you a lot. For any further questions or queries, you can reach us at sales@ksolves.com. Thank you so much.